Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from an Ethereum wallet to Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App and tap the home icon, which may also display your balance. Next, select the Bitcoin option and scroll down to find Deposit Bitcoin. Tap on it. If you are using this feature for the first time, you may need to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to complete verification. Once verified, you will see your Bitcoin wallet address. Tap the Copy button to copy it. Now, open your Ethereum wallet, such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. If it is not already Bitcoin, you must swap it first. Tap the Swap button. Choose your cryptocurrency in the From section and select Bitcoin in the To section. Enter the amount and confirm the swap. Your cryptocurrency will be converted into Bitcoin. Next, open your Bitcoin wallet and look for options like Send, Receive, or Buy. Tap the Send button, paste the Bitcoin wallet address you copied from Cash App, enter the amount you want to transfer, and tap Next. Confirm the transaction, and your cryptocurrency will be sent from your Ethereum wallet to Cash App. So that is basically how you can transfer money from an Ethereum wallet to Cash App. And that is it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.